Today we are unboxing the Smart Pro. The first most obvious thing that we see here is this box. This case is very rugged, it looks very well built, and it looks like it could take a beating, and it's stackable as well. Not a huge deal, but for you guys who are like me that like cases, you're gonna love this. It has 4 latches, locking latches. It has little holes in order to put your own lock on it. It's actually very high quality, to be honest with you. Anybody who knows what this tool is knows that these guys don't mess around. This is a locksmith tool. We do see a lot of keys, and I'm hoping to get this in action for you guys in the near future. But for now, we're gonna keep on with the unboxing and covering the basics, getting set up and all that stuff. So first thing we see is the MyKeys Pro registration. I believe these are all, this may be integrated with MyKeys Pro. This, I'm gonna save this for later. We're gonna register later. Full disclosure, this item was sent to me for review purposes, and whether I like it or not, you guys are gonna see it. You guys have seen my reviews before. If I like something, I say so. If I don't like something, I say so as well. Smart Pro is no joke. This tool is no joke. I think I'm gonna like it. I don't see why I wouldn't. I read every manual. I just won't read it for you here. I'm pretty sure this can be looked up in a PDF. Not a huge deal. I am gonna do my homework though. I'm gonna dig into this. Before I get to the tablet, I'm gonna look at all the things that are included. We got molded case here for all kinds of stuff. It looks like we have an extra slot here for some extra accessories. We've got our power supply cable, and I do apologize for the noise in the back. We have a pin saver. We've got a USB cable for updating it, and we have the rest of the power supply unit here. It is a 19 volt 4.74 amps. There's your part number. I say this because every now and then we get 12 volt adapters. I like to label them every now and then because there are so many tools that use 12 volts, but this one's not. This one's more like a laptop voltage. So you don't want to connect this to something that you're expecting to put 12 volts on. Just to put that out there. We do have one more item over here. There's a serial number and a password. So this is a hefty tablet. I was not expecting this. It looks like it's the Lite. I don't know. It says Smart Pro, but I would expect Lite to be here. Doesn't matter. But it looks like we got the Lite version. But look at the size of this thing. We got the pin saver that goes in there. That's pretty nice. I like that a lot. Save your pins, right? I like that a lot. We've got, wow, this thing's heavy. We're gonna go ahead and see if it's charged. I pressed it one time. A red light lit up. It didn't light up. We're gonna hold it. We're gonna have to charge this thing. We've got an adapter here. Not sure what that's for. That's what the manual's for. We've got a letter in here. Please note, Smart Pro is shipped with battery disconnected for shipping regulations. It's in almost every language. So good to know. We're gonna have to open it up and reconnect the battery. So it must be a capacitor in there that's lighting that light up, because can't think of anything else that would cause that. I'm gonna press it one time real quick. We're gonna hold it. User error. We're gonna charge this thing. All right, we are charging, and we've got a little yellow blinking light. And I'm gonna press it one time. It didn't even blink red. It went straight to the green. So first thing we see, software update, right? I want to take off this sticker because I like to actually keep this on there. That's just me. I don't like to take that off. So we're gonna give this a shot, see if we could just take this sticker off without ripping the entire screen protector off. At least until I get a more permanent one. Nice. So it hasn't been updated in 359 days. So it's asking me for a password. We're gonna use our little handy card here to activate it. Go ahead and pick English, because that is what I speak. We're gonna connect to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna set up the Wi-Fi connection. All right, our Wi-Fi is connected. We're gonna let it do its thing real quick. So our arrow populated. We're connected to the server. Awesome. Let's move on. My time zone is Eastern. I like my 12 hours a day, not 24, but it doesn't really matter. That's just personal preference. And we're gonna let it update. We're back at the login page. Let's go ahead and get this thing in there. So after the update, we're going right back to where we were before. Let's see what happens this time. Our server's already connected. No new updates available. Nice. One of the things I like about it, if I'm not mistaken, this is a tool that does not require tokens or subscriptions or any of that stuff. Check registration. So I'm gonna go ahead and have to register this first before I can actually use it. All right, let's go ahead and head on over to mykeyspro.com. Looks like it's a fully integrated system. And did I type this wrong? So you have to press www.mykeyspro.com because if you don't, you're gonna get sent elsewhere. Let's go ahead and register. And I'm gonna go to create account. All right, we're gonna have to email ourselves an activation code. We got our activation code. It's a one-time use. Let's go ahead and put that in there. And I'm gonna fill all this stuff out and we'll go from there. Now that we have our account created, we're gonna go ahead and sign in and register the tool. My devices. Let's see, register new device. All right, we got our tool registered. I'm gonna go ahead and check on the tool. We may need to restart it. Oh, so it just went right in all on its own. That's very cool. It does show tokens up here, but again, I do think that this is not a token-based system. I could be completely wrong, but last time I checked, the Smart Pro Lite was not a token-based system. But as far as the unboxing goes, this pretty much is it. We could do a bit of buttonology. We can go through the settings, check our Wi-Fi, region, language, user. It's very straightforward. There's no way for me to change the display turning off. That's just going to be the way it is. That's perfectly fine with me. Check our software versions. Very straightforward. There's a lot of good coverage on this. We could just take a look. We've got a ton of different options, which is going to come in handy. You want a tool that's well-rounded. This is it, really. We've got just about every brand that I can think of. I didn't see certain brands, but you know what? That's fine. I'd rather have a tool that doesn't have a brand as opposed to saying that it has it and it doesn't really work. Transponder, looks like we have transponder testing. We're gonna need a smart aerial for that. I don't have a smart aerial at this time, but I will get one eventually. OBD, it looks like it does fault codes. That's pretty nice, pretty handy. You get to clear codes, not simply strictly locksmith features. I did have to update again, even though it said that it fully updated previously. And that's just about it. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I do have a Toyota that I need to program. We're gonna go ahead and show the whole thing, how this integrates with MyKeys Pro. And it will be after. You're gonna wanna stay tuned. If you wanna see more of this stuff, consider subscribing and check out the future videos. I'm gonna have also this Futura video coming up pretty soon right there. So you're gonna, if you want to see some of that and the setup and what I went through to get that going, you're gonna want to stick around and check that out in the very near future. But for now, I think as for an unboxing video, we got through the registration, we went through the buttonology, we see what hardware it comes with and what it doesn't come with. You're gonna need a smart aerial if you're gonna want to test and do other functions with the transponders. But as for now, we're gonna leave it like that. Thank you all for taking the time to watch. I appreciate you all for joining me on this one. Stay tuned for more stuff out of the Smart Pro Lite. Again, I did confirm Smart Pro Lite is token free. We're gonna show you how once I do get that Toyota coming in. Once you buy an Ilco key, it comes with a QR code. We scan that, gives you a token. So technically speaking, it is token free, but you can buy extra tokens if you wanted to do anything else with it. But I think that about wraps it up. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.